Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Gemini Veo 3 video, full guide. Start by charging the battery and formatting an SD card, then mount the camera securely and balance your gimbal. Set resolution and frame rate to match your project, choose a color profile, and monitor audio with headphones. Keep shots short, vary angles, and capture extra B-roll for smoother edits later on during post-production. Warm up the camera and adjust your exposure triangle, aperture for depth of field, shutter speed for motion, and ISO for noise control. Lock white balance to a Kelvin value or use a custom preset to keep skin tones natural. Record a short test clip to check focus, exposure, and audio levels before the main take. If available, enable zebras and focus peaking to avoid blown highlights and soft focus. Approach each scene with a clear start, middle, and end to craft narrative flow. Move the camera slowly for cinematic motion and use push-ins, pullbacks, or lateral tracking to add visual interest. Keep subject movement consistent and communicate cues to on-screen talent. Remember to capture clean room tone and reference audio, as this simplifies syncing and noise reduction in post-production during editing sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.